Premiering a video allows you to upload a video, then view it in real time with your followers. You can host a watch party, and you can chat with your followers, and your followers can chat with each other. After you upload a video, you might see the premieres option. Tap the slider to turn it on. I'm going to click scheduled, and you can schedule it for a future time, and your followers should get notified, or your subscribers. I'm going to set this for today. And notice at the top here, instead of getting the save changes option, I get premiere on date and time. I'm going to go ahead and tap premiere. I'm going to click return to editing. And here is the link that I could send to anyone who wants to join the premiere. Let's click it. Let's select this link. And notice what it says here, premieres in 60 seconds. So once it premieres, that's when folks will have the opportunity to chat. And the chat window is here. Also, on a separate page, I've logged in with another account that's subscribed to that account. And sometimes your users might see it on the home screen, even if you don't send them the link. I'm not seeing it here, but if I go to subscriptions, and here it is, how to search a YouTube video, that's the premiere video. And it shows the premiere date and time. And the users can set a reminder, so then they'll get a notification. I'm going ahead and click it here as another user. And notice how it says the premiere will begin shortly. Okay, so I put my two screens side by side. Here's the owner of the video, or the owner of the account, and here is a subscriber. As you can see, we're watching the same thing. Okay, so we can see that the video is playing on the content creator side and the subscriber side. And note, and here's my account if I want to say something to my followers. And on the other end, my followers or subscribers would see my message and they could respond. And I will see any messages here. And that's the end of the video. So now the premiere is over, but people can go back and look at the video at any time. And notice what it says here at the bottom. Premiered 4 minutes ago. And the chat replay will be over here as well if you wanted the replay to be there. But looks like it's going to take a little while for that to load.